Tata Michael says, good afternoon, Brad Jerry, please. And I want to thank God for my life and that of yours. Joe Meda said, Alexander, can I say thank God it's Friday. Comfort Chewa. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Parts also on first and then anyways. Hima Destiny Love. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Watching you live in Kaswa. Mention come out Vim Lady. Kaswa for no. Da 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 da. Isaac Dankwase. Good afternoon, Jerry. Thank God it's Friday. Greetings going out to Mr. Daniel Dankwa, my father. Charles Boabin said, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Where you, Charles? Hey, Charles. Charles. Now Charles and Rami buy a machine or any other. Oh, I'm going to be right here. And then I'm in Chad Gideon, so I'm in Chad Paul, and all the guys. I'm on Total Service Station or Tema Community too. And to all the beautiful ladies now more shop Numuno. I do believe Samuina Moye. I'm out for you. I say happy birthday, don't be later. And come on, me baby girl. Yeah. Message now started. I tell us, baby girl, you didn't know Ira. Oh no, I come. I tell us. Baby, I will be a more Facebook no so. I have done 106.3 FM on Facebook. Not your quay anymore. Hello, Brad Jerry. Good afternoon. Hope you are good. Yes, I'm fine. By it's great. And then Nana Kwame. Oh, Nana Kwame will message in a call. Right there, yo. From my stereo, that's it. I see doing the dance inside. Oh, but inside the echo. You keep them coming at the right time. You're still book a cry because it's yes all kind of issues because I'm on for she and issue messages in Google. I see Jerry. Good afternoon. Greetings going out to Ima Hart. I wish him speedy recovery. We fear what fire on chain. Naomi Queen so said these days my favorite part of the show is around the world with the Scotto sound, yeah. And then there is Betty TD. Hey. Good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Salome in Cancer. I say good day, Brad Jerry. I am watching you from Shalaja. I feel if you want more. Yeah. I was not young room on Facebook. No, so now share videos of our time. Video I did, bro. In the meantime, you can for fortune rise the amount. And more dead. And more some kind of anything. You know, just like moms. They know what to do in every situation. Sana air fortune rise on to etie. Unse emo air aduane bia nenu anhye dan ye den sa especially rice and stew. What e bia to ya now. O dada sister no is stew mama. Emo na wa no ade do. But one hwe ya e beje ozam. Omonwana emo na e pacha. Se onfanye mutuo by force so se onye den. Na a problem. And now one shey na ya wadwe so person we careful say the enye pacha na embum ba ko na. One shall be we na afi I one but I bury you do sisi wa say amen. but emu baako a ne no ano nye den kra very simple fortune rice say mu we I know such that usagu nsuo mu aye na no ka nsuo kakra bi ne hia eno abe balance ne ho ebe bin correct kama eno so enkambo mu nya baako nya peche 11 moton ware aze enti mu bia opesa onu bia any rice dish bia say jollof rice, fried rice, rice balls, whatever rice man your fortune rice, your fortune classic and on a package near green, and your fortune delight and your orange and our fortune delicious and the pack near red. Man, son count there and you will not regret it. Fortune rice, always on point, just like mom. So say the Vodafone Diabano. Hey, Vodafone too much business. Too much business. Now the Vodafone patch and said there's no two businesses are the same. Business be no near approaching the BBI and a dance. So from phone calls between colleagues to the team WhatsApp group to bulk SMS to clients, every business be our different needs. Maybe our business now, bulk SMS our demand clients and our business, the nature of your business. And now maybe our business now crown like WhatsApp group near their conversation data crunch then Obi so dey data and the business now Obi dey course pa what I say it business be the BBA dance room. They said in a Vodafone too much business among the best mobile plan on the market with awesome value for amazing results. So go on and design your mobile plan to talk, test, and more according to our unique business model, because Vodafone too much business and more the flexibility the what me customize or voice SMS data plan and no bet me affect or business no and I feel or budget and so now you can grow your business to match your ambitions with more in your mobile package at the same price, Joe. Open so signing up SMS start or they send a message start START. Now their call sign number is 050-777-9000. That's 050-777-9000. And yes, I send the mail. Email address no vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com. Vodafone, together we can. I was going to join me on Facebook now in no time. Videos of our time, the Shisha Show. Yeah. A man sanka Puma drink. Na bubobi, na feel good. You know what I'm saying? Alpha Justice, or say, brother, please, your WhatsApp number. Oh, maybe WhatsApp number. And then you did you do. You compare a Puma drink nibi no water ube free. Yeah, pay the chilled one power. Say your cola now say yeah orange. The more day ye. We so that 150 pesos per sorted. They are available in all major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The Drop Afre Casa Preco Company Limited on 0262 351 251. Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. And special greetings going out to you, my good friend James Nana Afo. James Nana Afo, who Total Service Station, Ashaman Motorway, Tobooth Wana, Openi. I do believe so. Have a nice weekend. MTN, spin the wheel. Amount for the deal. Amount for the deal. Whole lack no. Obi one more yeah, but Obi one whole lack party. We will be out to some patch of so airtime no call from kakra on. Now opese or recharge ya. Yeah, me more fee MTN spin the wheel promotion na e koso no. The omni nan say unya recharge we pay. Now for what test spin SPIN. Now they are called short code 5040. A bet wow amwasha build the points kakra sa. Now Kwenyan bet me abom we need cash prize up to 30,000 Ghana cedis every month be our MTN spin the wheel promo no emo. Very, very simple. Sounds no bet me the unique opportunity. Now I take it on. Up a notch. Our brow testing VIP and they are called 5040. Now I enjoy 10 additional points at their tattoo. It mess like a crowd. Cause I saw better testing. Nation say we are good together everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Now by Ken Ketsi Aquatab water purification tablets. Yeah, boy, not yet the videos of our time, Abril. Me pacho Aquatab water purification tablet. A self-dissolving tablet. Ya wunya bi na ode to ensuo mu a. Ensuo ni nye nsupa. Emwamwa wo nsuo mu betimi di ohawa brɛ wo. Sa nsuo no nom na betimi anya yado a yenya efi nsuo a yenu mu a. Esa sa ode Aquatab water purification tablet na tum ntino. Ebehwe na ayisa ohaw ni na afio. Enti waterborne diseases here. Obe avoid it. Microorganisms ahodo na e wo nsuo no ebeku ni nyina. Sa so ene wo Aquatab food safe e wo ho. And they walk chroma cutter fruits and vegetables they abano. And for ordinary water and wash on keke na and shas ya say all consume it. Ma sanka Aquatab food safe. Never wash home and kill bacteria and germs near the idea one na I need come on. And sana mobedi amodi. FDI shemu aja tum say e pa. Ubenya biato e chemical shops, pharmacies and our face supermarkets how do pina emo. On can now put it power phrase 020 907 7726. Kumasi phone phrase 050 169 4275. And our fake for the amount phrase 0244 593 381. Now you sort him come up. I feel Facebook no says here. Now you share any videos of our time. Na yen twaso enkoye anim. Abusia aya na ensem bi ha. Wahu. Na ewiase mu a yewe. Se udi niema bi achi a wan hwe ya obeya na waye de ensese yeye. So udi nipa anu achi a because nipa nye nipa suban ni nipa ni ye bi o ye no tino na ama nipa bi no asesa empempi ya ye taika yes obi ye bone na ye china the right thing to do and say ebema the appropriate authorities no etimi ahwe aka ho asem na amo no ya appropriate in this case no e police it is a ban sa pe se obi awia wade wache kronfo ana bibisa no na si timi edenema abanbofoi eche police for na omo atimi ahwehwe mu ne senti no aya na empempi no obi wo kra akrono no oba bebo no ebia na adwenfofo bi kra ta akire enye se wade na oba befa keke na oche no obi also a belong to a certain group bi police for na wo kwan ya ombetimi afa so a won betoto na no aye hwehwemu a no mo atimi ehu na se bibisa ho kra na when timi abochiri kra enu tin yesi aya amaye mfa mra no hyen ya nsem na obi abewia wade no emodan kuno cause obunu kunu wie na se ebia odadodom enopie baaye yanko no na ebehwe kwan asa other squad na ba afi na ifi okono afi no mukofa on plan me kai tamu yesusu anu sato doko na mamba akubi o kwamati yesi o fi o musu so akotra se easily go there na papa no cash ba ena Arobes em say ibi koso kakra ne ade na actually be it, you know later na omo share that notice ankasa ba say oh omo bana onyina yi aseme ni say Arobes ba and I is as a couple so eja kakra no hunti no enye police gra o ko yi soldier for sutire hey you bread those days no na military guys e be gu area hono it is all kokrom na dey yasa open na open timaba because after 9 p.m. who be travel street to say the soldier for you almost e mama dey hey yeah who go hey what you feel hey questions e baby say bisa answer what twam keke no me say soldier for be gu a no be si be ba city wa mo na mo hono o ga so mo wi no mo mra time na bi so mo twen am achire du answer na o ma be operation enti se ya chikrofo sana ye ma police fo ankasa sote a eno no ye no mo atimi investigate ya na se ebinumo e wa chire ba bi kura na o mo atimi nkwan a o mo de be fa so na etimi yi se abonefo na fi system no but se dem di kan no ya se what promogenia padia pa now one time obi fi baby from nowhere no about before we japade no de ko ya enti bia na ye fa bi new pen ba se de bia ye ona ye o ya o kira bi no so obi ba abewia wade na wo kina chances are high say odem nan be show nsem na wo tu obi kura obe fire no kura kuno but aya ye nso yakomam me metie bi atome meti radio yi so manu dam je no fie kwaso ejo jai mi dwagum za se na robbery so kwaso ofie me pon me de ani je kofia kwaso ana same fremos jo them say robbers come the area inside we come still for plenty houses hey me could do my place to baza from living room to kitchen to bedroom passa everything gone yeah na mi suit pa gugu dem on na akwanso na me was suit bi wa hihye rubber mu amen sheda eno fresh ones in now the corner dem man hihye wa tutu agu for more rough yeah but mum ye na ye momodin na ye nhye ho so say ye chi akromfo a ye betimi de omo ama police for na police for timi ahwehwem ansana asotwe se ne fata no ye de amasafo no kre papa bi eno so sato doko ya satam ni susa man bi ono na onhye dante area mu papa se ofi odoko opese ekwan bi da ho ba bi a otimi di kopie odoko tipa ho no usani sani fi ho na oberewe mu akwa na those days no na ho nhye dan ye develop papa na yetimi ko hwe golden fish ne ade wo na CP for no yard mi wo sa across the street wo no na papa no mo se America no ena okronfo bi ba fie obe wi ade na omo chi no ena boys yes on bebo no so no so no na fi no fi akwantu mobile no mo ye renovation fi oni ade anti materials kakra ho mo de ye adwuma oso mo bi ambo no fi okronfo na ni agye na wow sa paint bucket kesi ni bi no aha ena mo mix concrete mu amudit omte cement gumi si wa na ode na ba kwesi ba kumu na ba kwesi mu a ena omo share concrete no won na ho ena omo chechire na obo no so obi anko ni fi mo ye nhwe ena ojafo bo ho a obi amo no obi afa ne sanka no ena de no e hye na ho a na air dry ni ba mo bo ade ani dry open na asiwe no msane ahoma no na ubenda ko view with this na papa na sign mom sign chisel say addiction na enye two den but odo ne sakeke why cry and why omo chisel adi fi akwa ne nan ho na cement na review pana na afi de na tie cry e den de ama no ene video na ayeyi no hwe obi a wabokro no na hwe de omo de ye no hwe se de ya woro onipa dasani ho na emema kantinka we are strong in sabako left in sabako right in nine bako left in nine bako right no mo hwe no bra Facebook na be hwe video no ye ko video no mo hwe na ya hwe no na chi pia na akwa ne twi mo come say no mercy for him hwe se do mo hwe no omo hwe no na wa pepe no wa no ogye no no mo asan na be hwe chale nipa ya mobo nipa ya mobo hwe na adeno ye very 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 quite disturbed nti use ye de adom logo na to so kakra because ya nyansa Facebook phone kra beka say why are we posting such a violent identity? They say kind of violence on beka say adena yes antina ye de logo na to so kakra no but omo di akwa na wu ankasa enye izo Obi say, but you have covered it. And I'm can catch I am Monty Jumana and Asika Krama. Why? A Facebook for no, on Becca say, a yinia dia, what I say, Tintina, a date logo not to soka crano. But a bad. See, you logo nephew now shack one each pass a day, on one lay a quan pa, you keep Memma can think of being young. No moon, na ye no. And no more can crack case with the pure, this with the pure. Jesus Gramo Cobona Syndium, and you say no more, no. To abobo no mpimpian sa ne ade ana afi later no omde ayini hwe na sa ahoma bi sa no eno so na yam bate no omo anchichire na anye ni sisa onya no omde hwe na nipa so ne sa ne na afananse hot say serious yenya mbra ye de hye ensemu a ye didi o sei ena madi kan aka no ya say obi beba before day ye na akronfo awia ye pen some time ago I met committee to say that time me working happiness ma so ya no pa aka na time we aso for me fie to odwuma manya yi bia ntino me ma time me ho ma wie boga ma me so de ma twetwe ato so ani ade a ma hwe me tie ne a je say me betra ka mu a bie kai ge tv afi me tra ka me dikini hwemu a me ya na akwa kosi hwe ma na na ma dwen kura ma so me hwe car no that's what say car no kura tape na bo kura bo betu car no tape no kura me say ko bi engine so ko hwe ya ye tu me car no battery kura de ko no yes na se mi jaka ni si o because time ko esem ko adwuma na me pet taxi before na me ko adwuma na later ma ko electrician bi amana chale ya so konfo be wi awade but mama me famra na nhye ensem wo de say mo de mran be hye mo sem kura mo nya no de akwa ya on trending and saying need ye ya so on sresre sa kwa so abro share video no so de atwa so akwa no mo mra na me hwe padi no wabro tadi for no man share mafia wako wi ade no mo se on sre na obi a crofo pa ya chi no na at that state yes on sre I mean Charlie and mo ye ni say as on stress ana wa mo ye yin say ana later mo come police ra eno no ye dance e bedi na wu no okwa ni person best no mo abon twe don say sre afi no ache hey om say sana sre ye afi sre o de guru akwa me bro na osre kakra wie na no ena later omsio on saka grana boys started some motor no on fansa now akronfo se bi akwa oh no shebemanim shebemanim ade anya odia no akwakofa ade anya odia no akwakofa afina asresere kakra oti wa wa enti bibi se no kra denka mo ye no sa kra nka nyehwe anase se de agya social media 70 ebi kwa na ma record no boarding chair no aboni din na ofi no aka so ati ase then na be wia na won dey have two internet no be ahu say onipa we hwe ha na yeso won sa hwe asa won sa oh akwa se wo re krofo odi asa he kafu you tadi for mo champion ati na krofo bi awi ade awi na mo amoto nyuma ne sase oh my goodness so baby an belt ne akwa bro asana odi vitan wo said the eniam cause when the dream or digital no you have no idea eniam nam na dream was still what me did asa according to eniam na guys ne bo no nyame nko na ni so ya so padi on ma mesa kakra no munya na me nko ye ti grofo be mama sasa no masa de me koma police na eniam cause when the dream or dey sa original at this point no. Only God knows. But I'm going to say, I had it. Now, say, me, Kokuna, Yamin Pongmako, we had a last minister. I say, I'm a chamber. Here are they. Eddie, I was yet to be very serious, but Nina, so they say, yet Chakron for Mama from my police for. Not police for any Shishimu. Oh. Na ye best so say akonfo no ye chom na ye de omo police for so a diti an ebinum dem na ne chom so be ya no mo asan agya no no akwa asan ba ene bi won so abeka ye se o ye de ne kokot be ko hwa na abusuanfo bi akotwitwa gina ne ade na che say o ade chi na wafe wakọ fast squad ankasa de aba eno no mo ba be wi akra o wi ade ne kokeke o mo sa be pira wa kan o itino mo mi enhwe na ye madwuma no ye hyehye ne yi obi abokro no amra no wo na say adasedie no wo say abokro no nko ade asotwe se ne fata bia no we should make sure say ebe masa asotwe na akode amasa nkrofo no say de be ebe ma omo nso a on person mo de omo hye sa ade mu no omo atimi agyae bye yes semo and the videos of our time at the bro no no abusia ma sanka floral disposable handkerchief na it used to be eboa ema ohute kama na ente say the usual cloth handkerchief na wo the best shape yes me can say car gate won make car door no they say they be ba no car gate dey car gate go you dey bomb can say va I was anti floral disposable handkerchief now all the paper kama we are no disposing of na bibia akoye at the amount. And also look out for floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, and floral box tissues. They are available in a shop near you. Price also that form. Dodo Pano. No afraid Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Nothing so Dominion about powder. And also na airboa na immune system no etimi very strong. Abrain na. Nothing so no asabwa anomalize or blood pressure no e dia ma afi wo heart or kidney related problem no ebe ye fi oye adwuma kitu bia no otebre pa or spine ya nimu yo ya stroke diabetes ne ade nyina no ebe pampam ni nyina e de amount obenya bia to na bo ache about afi hello say about Kings Walk about Little George Health Shop Samson and Repage Ventures e bi e ho nyesa na wa hwehwe Angel Dominion about center chi akwan e won kokko obe from my 0543 158 195 and 020 429 6449. Dominion Bar Powder, your number one immune booster. Pan African Savings and Loans, and they were the promo aba promo the and that's so yatiteso. Yes, yatiteso promo. Now pretty simple, and they your interest rate our your loans ya demand no. Ya tiso the above from cry. I shall say from the 1st of July. Yame aduma on the 30th of September. And ebebe ye. Bosumi mi ensem one ye didi say dwumadi. So take advantage of the reduced rate. Never grow business. esa se kan o koje bose a ensihu anka wo ho obetua kese no ya teso aba fom kra tu betimi age besia no goyi na de atre wadwuma no mu na wakọ anim what I say Pan African Savings and Loans ye wo Greater Accra region ye wo Eastern region ye wo Central ye wo Ashanti ye wo Ahafo regions no enso emu wo de friend na chain baby awo ye be kire ye branch ye ben na waba ho na ya boa 057 555 7777 that's 057 555 777 and no na yakoye nim choose Pan-African choose greater strength na bibia anko yema finally as they do informa Kel Kids toothpaste we toothpaste I shed that atwe boase aye dia mamofra eye kama say ye the strawberry a wono eti sa flavor no kra no man kola na ni je ho say osoro no pana wo nye ready we bia obatan waso an shika krakra mo abeka mami I have to brush my because flavor no emuye all the mature strawberry ne wum no kama pa ti mama fa no kra ni gisa bring na on betwi omosen na eboa protect mo fa no omo gam no prevent cavity na ma omosen so I very strong and healthy with freshness all day kama pa nti mo fra between 2 and 6 years no a mom papa we a product if Samara Company Limited and approved by the Food and Drugs Authority FDA assembly came eti yusu Kel Kids toothpaste every day e fama obano na ebeboa na motimia develop that personal attitude and then love of brushing their teeth all the time what I say Kel Kids toothpaste happy smile yada mu nyina so ase ye beto aso na yakoya ni mugusu ti 106.3 Adom FM Ghana's #1 radio station na okay ye bekoya ni before that no happy birthday enko Emma Mabel owo trust specialist hospital su happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. And this one is coming from your colleagues at work, your co-workers, our specialist ward hono. Na Louisa, Osimin Kancho say, Nyame Unsha no anya okese pa. Enjoy your birthday. Great. Afe okay. And then Madame for Baku birthday. Uyu bia ope exercise chain abranti ya ye bechi watum na obeto na oye training ultimate say yes abranti any discipline Ernesto Ernest you do all na say dey me na minya kwan ye training ni ade antino na say mabako kra na ene my good friend Ernest ne mame ne birthday auntie Otwe Aunt Uche or every what is 71 years and wow Edenyamias for your life na or you be a on also uti Adom FM pa uti ofie kwaso pa on fire greatest person so niagro and you know ye we shino happy birthday ye ma wa woda pa nyame ede 71 ama we die on fa de aka nto aso na twem 100 preko na che se abo no na mum wo ma ahoden pa na still cash no main flow why that be anya fine amount so happy birthday to you may the good Lord bless you with you ba Ernest Nenchen na ose nyame oshao na onye okese pa upiem ewo everyday a Ernest obia di omunim na ya Ernest oba no correct guy pa Osinya Misha and Maudapa. And also big ups going out to AB quality phones and accessories. La Paz from Brassame, Kitty, the driver no. Come pa. And then a happy birthday also going out to Naomi Ousu Oyetema. May God bless your new age. And this one is coming in from Selom. Wishing you a happy birthday. Not the back be to Muana and Shena young Claire no few na fi young queen. I say wishing Nana Mame of Site 7, Community 1, Tema, a happy birthday from the grandchildren, Esinu and Eto. You are 92 years old today. Wow. Happy 92nd anniversary to you, mommy. Nyame o show. Na we dey 92 dey head then 100 dey say. And then me champion for 100. Oh. Yeah. So amount 100 prekona. But ni dem no ma ahoden. Cause unyia na say I remember ahoden ni na ya adwen pa. You know. Nyame mo ahoden kama pa na on Chaprekon. So a happy 92nd birthday to you. Enjoy your birthday. Nana Mame of Site 7, Community 1, Tema. Enjoy your birthday. I was here. You better ask you. Nadia can Nadia go.
Honey. It's office unko na wonim Aquataps full safe ana. Say ya ni nua ba wodi ne de bia no. Aquataps full safe. Ana medoro ho. Asa na wedi o.
Omo sounds so Aquataps water purification tablets. Em omo a omo de ebulo mu nsuo, efom nsuo, suru nsuo, ene nsuo a ehwo nte e de ye wonda da adwuma a emfa ohaw bia embre. Osa nkwada yi so mapomudin so ehia ye pa. Eno nti na mato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehwo te. No nti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. Ene fiefie mu Aquataps Abama mo say ebejen etu phone free Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets. FDA aji ejedi nkratui atum.
MTN spin the wheel radio. Yes, simple. Get up your airtime. Now text the spin. Echo 5040. The winning price. Simple. And I bet me we need to do 30,000 Ghana cedis. Possibly, and text the VIP. Echo 5040. Then you 10 points to be on peace. So,
MTN. Everywhere you go.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance say, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a whole car. No, Yamwa suing you know, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kashi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Maja to Musay.
Business no a bit me to say. So the projections from the first quarter show a higher total gross profit for the fiscal year. A bit me a kasa say
Nana, who's not land you? He did a port right.
A bit me to say.
Here are your items. Thank you for coming.
A bit me a kasa say
Yes, 2 for 10 cedi. Me no 10 cedi. 2 for 10 cedi.
What you know a bit me a codeni and found whole business away. The beer Rubia. You has a wow. MTN Business meant to enable your business stay ahead of the pack. Trishayen, mtnbusiness.gh at mtn.com. Fred and now was happy. I was 0244 308 111. Now you chill MTN everywhere you go.
South Africa.
Mommy, my day in your day.
And what's the wafa geisha semina subain? Gina hopinti na kowenim. Mempaba. Kosi se wonsa beka weni da swadi nyina.
Matumame, mejina painting akomenim. Na machapa to say geisha semina.
Be strong and last.
Bankratway FD Ajiatu.
This is Adoma FM and this is Jerry Justice.
That's right, we are back. Na yababaki na yeti asemwa ene yedi tu ye hofo ewo ofi kwansdwumedi so na fe yetimi akọ ye nanim. Adaroma nyumakuo bi no mu ene kura mu a yɛde brɛ wo ɛno ɛyɛ DBS Industries and afi MTN enso tachiri dear mon rem na yenti and asem no quickly na fi yamfa dwumadi ne nkae ento aso and asem a yedi tu yonfo e wo dwumadi eso no wo brofo kasem na asem ne say your prayers your prayers don't have expiration date utieni so abompire ya say empire na boy no I expire tin na mamu na it doesn't expire. God will answer in his own timing, not your timing. Shen so sa se wunya santi asewe e otimu a even when you pray for something na se sa de ne mamu a ubenya abotre ubenya otwen honhom atwen kopem se wonyame akasa ne bremu no de sese eba wakwan mu ana de obisae no wonsa ebeka etoda ya na yente niam bia ase but ye nipa intutimi say at this very stage, at this very point, at this very season here wo mu ya no you need this, you need that particular thing to survive. Erade ade amade amewu. But be not in God's own wisdom. Se saade ne ba wa kwan mu sesi a. Be niam bia no so be kan challenges bia de be ba. Be a untimi stande. Bi kura nam so kura betimi am wawu. So nyame woni nyansem mu no na watwentwen so till say obstacles bia won bia niam bia nya bia won bia betimi adi demo an betimi apira wo no. Wayi ade afi wo de amawo na kwa mutene a on saka de ohwehwe afi Awurade nchen no unim se obi ape yedie ba unim se yedie bi so timi bo obi akwan ma ne wu. Oh yes, yedie timi bo obi akwan ma ne wu. Minimum abrantie bi men pese me boni dia kai abusuafo ya me boni din sesi apa temafo bebre na anim no no e brother pa car no kra me mo car ni din. One of the cars, a flashy cars, or tall car, maybe. The very first time or hitting motor with the car, no, he had an accident and he died in the car. Yes, said the mechanic, those who know, they know. He died in the car. It was such a blessing. It was a good thing for such a young man to have gotten that right. Charlie. I mean, boys were talking. But down the car, sequence, he died in the car. On the main party. And so now, it is sometimes they be also party be our bonfire. Any idea? I also umpire now, born Krajamashi, radianti. Me patro, it's not like that. Umpire and expire a radiant worduma, and at the right time, a radibeti umpire bono. The aka why our botre and no because we crow GDM ewe radimu. Asa Why? Tia yinya abotre. Very, very, very important. And once again, take note, say, prayers no pay na obono. It doesn't have any expiry date. God will answer in His timing. Share so sir. Your first was that my proud sponsors, DBS Industries, on my Aluzinc trusses. Yeah, no, ode a good dinosaur and sana ode chance aboso. What I say? Na bibia I come at the amount. We emperor and when I change and yere abu bi azuntimi rate say in readi. Iti bomode amount san come ne bon so kra nyed den. And you can some crow no. It is share account the spinters will do for so and chibia no do papaya restaurant. Ubet me a friend, ya beba site near Beshani at 12 free estimate amount 0240 844 444. Nkra Kumasi François Frey 050 600 4141. Na Takrade for Frey 050 600 4242. Ne ahwem kama pa. And what you know MTN and they SME Plus no or the aba say yom fanya adwuma ni nyina ne say we a good news at the small to medium scale business owners. Now SME Plus no ema ultimate manage operational cost or communication emo. Na ema akwanya no ema ultimate choose from affordable packages. Now I enjoy talk time, SMS, data, and business content all bundled in one subscription. Exciting news for a tech and say Unya free on net calls every Monday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. When you phone to see an about star 5060 hash. Na yemplo too. Yes, out there free WhatsApp. Friend number here now send WhatsApp. If I call number we say so 0244 308 111. Ubenya further details. Then you stay connected everywhere you go. And no, come on, no. Saturday, ya boy, na yama ASS court. And so Aborem. Now, yeah, they around the world in 5 minutes. Abril here on Adom 106.3 FM. Lift Jesus higher. Silla. Hey,
Lift Jesus higher, 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 higher. Lift Jesus higher, 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 higher. Lift my Jesus higher, 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 higher.
Say hand washing moments. Aya happy moments. Ni nyina ne say. Ene abusia hodo ni nyina. Obi ani gine ho. So be washing nsa. Na ne nsa watimi atewensen kama. Na yare bi antimi mam. De enti obi agu so de anije mu eworo ne nsa nyina ne say. Live boy hand washing. Live boy hand washing liquid. Eno enene aba. Ya obia eyusu bie. Umia kakra bi bunsu ogu so edon safa na atwa huro se puku. Na nika sam kra wo me say enye se epu ahuro puku ye mu wa se ehwam afa wonsan keke eboa ekele germs ne bacteria hodo e wo ye wonsan no nyina eti niema bi adon sa koso mu bia no live boy hand washing liquid ehwe ekle ni na kama na wonsan ho ate enti yare bi ade away. Yes, live boy liquid hand wash papa. You have two variants. You have total and you have herbal. Now total no red ni label no and a herbal no label no so green. Now the active silver ingredients no and more superior protection against all germs, yet very gentle on your skin. Live boy liquid hand wash. A super for hand washing moments. So choose Lifebuoy for 10 times better germ protection. They are available at our markets, baby, supermarket, near pharmacies, near neighborhood shops in Ninaimo. Go get yours. Anyway, Ankoma Tete Banafo, aka Titi. Why na unim? But you have to answer. Said the American what I say. Mr. Alex Quaja, only a wife, Sister Sarah from Winneba. Almost almost wish almost Babema Ato Kwamena Obuama Quaja na Oko School University Primary. Almost wish a happy birthday do. Belated na nyame onkoswa na onhira omo ho ban otutu anamonsi ye awoni obeye nyina emu nyame onka ho. We lift your name, we lift your name, we lift your name, we lift your name, we lift your name. Oh, says Scott as Nazi. Hiya. Hey, hiya. Oh, hiya. Hey, hiya. Hey, hiya. Oh, hiya. Hey, hiya. Oh, hiya. Oh, Essie. All right, so I was here around the world in 5 minutes with the Scouts. Yeah, yeah. Siwawa. 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 You're not fighting. Scott, Bra Jerry. Scott, Bra Jerry. Never Friday, but me from a non adjournment. Yes, I visit. Yes, I can met you more about today because meeting them as well. Jabend there. And I went nice. So no news as to the crocodile. And we are kicking Bradgery. Wako Virginia, that state. Me patrol there be. Krubi or Hona Mintimimo. The friend is saying. A friend is saying. No folk. And it's a metra or Shemi. ACT. Okay. Intermetiano and ne. Okay. Anopa area, minim time I bought when joining. Okay. You, Bradgery. Yea. And that Friday. And there may be some questions, baby. Yeah, man, Yemesa. Debbie. I did you wow, yeah, and soon you mean you. Brother, and soon you mean. Menone, did you make a woman, sir? A woman, sir. This is a minko bisa. Oh, Bibiania, oh, yeah, so a Jiku, baby, or tea, or Belpa, any idea. What I say. If I am in complicated bit me a bad. Oh, that's a Jacob, baby, or tea, or Casa, ever from Jacob, no, only the diagram or turning so. Minimum the India. I am Bizana and Quay. Aye, Bradley, maybe, sir. And there we Michia will be a wajebre. Will be sending me message and they will say, or train my mamma Nasre. Now, say, Moka said the form. And the phones one guy have a pound. But anyway, we are here. Bradley, young Quansams.
Nejo. Brother, in fact, ever since I awoke me who ababa wa. Oh, bisa Bearman say, sweetie, can you buy me a Bible? Can you buy me a Quran? Me who big that. They be a national anthem near Baku. Pizza, shawarma, mepewe, iPhone.
Yes, me.
She big that. It's me bisa
Oba bisa say. Bearman and top Bible man.
Ope anointing or your crowd, yeah, prayers in the other day. Wish ye be out there catching me. Yeah, let's be frank with ourselves. We be catching me.
Maybe why America send to Bible man.
What's the old baby one? And on a requirement is what they call. May class. Yeah, remember me go. Remember me Gasepi. Remember me Gasepi.
My top Bible, my wife.
That's a requirement is what they call. And I wouldn't.
Crying to me is my
Tama. Okay, Tama now mood dating. Ubisawa na we misa.
My wife will miss this idea.
My brother, who to treat you. I am a question. Many people tell you I go for all side.
I am. That's I mean, I will be something. You do be something. And said the minimum of Macano. Brother.
I told you, I now defend, but yeah. Oh, my way.
Okay.
Oh, my way.
All right.
Oh, my way, brother. Brother, in fact, we catch him say, Abiana Finu Biaba, me car say, welcome to Africa.
Okay. And you're not welcome to Africa.
And your brother, welcome to Africa. Where?
Really? I said to a bezo.
Brother, yes. Welcome to Africa, whereby some people will smell their armpit to decide if they will bath or not. And only one. Welcome to Africa, whereby men, some men will never risk their money in investing in their business, but will risk their life having unprotected sex. Welcome to Africa. Welcome.
Oh yeah. Yeah. This is Africa.
Yes, this is Africa. Ejuma your friend Ejuma. On take a risk in funny situation.
Yeah. A risky. Yeah.
But very risky in life.
Yeah.
Having unprotected sex. Welcome to Africa. Welcome to Africa, brother.
Now that
I don't know.
Condom no mumbrana. Now one gets there na wono da uso ade na aya huzo umpe kondomi
wa de wa beto me say na kwaji me na fresh u bi say me no so kwaji me na bi say me no
so na udi nkomo bi
nkomo me
me nu hia ho ayi washroom we ni ade nkomo na udi ofun yisu yi o say
o say atagan na o ya atana minimum da who's interested
into umpe condom
who
said you can risk tickets no home
me
baby and now condom at a pie
daddy and then you are ya mo bia baba dia ba Africa na dia na wo daddy
say wa
daddy
yeah
unim
you so catch me
man marry
and then there man so
yes mama to be more takra
okay
marry a beautiful wife send e be ya mokwa family gathering one make catch and say onion salad instead of so be chichi nkoko
no go over it again me gas say chichi but go over it again
warrior ban ho fe se na be ya ebusua ni kohia
se bi ayie bi abafie
bi ba na bi o make catch and o the salad na be hye ne nsa se wonye
ontwitwa
na mom na mo
ka se onko wo ne mo
mi nchire me mi sa mi nchire mu nso yenye nsi ya
omo te ase pa
African abon nsam mu eche
omo te ase pa
Bradley
yeah
o mother-in-law say na woni city very fantastic right long ti asemu esie unim mother-in-law bi ko bisa
wama
adai
ino kadukofi no Ghana professional footballer or Sweden wama waslesa
mo Bradley
or say this your guy funny pal
na yanga njena nzana waje
greetings going out to you, good to know you are listening
Bradley
yeah
mother-in-law bi na bisa ne ba be ma yirse adentina nkwala na oma wu omu nyina no onse bema no o de
bema na se eba e na obisa bema no se
nti mame Putin say
go
fa ne se wo maame wo maame e na ebisa wo wife say aden na nkwala bi ama wo omu onse wo brajeri no so enka brajeri as a respectful woman is yi maame na no ye timuaya African woman or the mama no
okay
okache ne say ade na etua ne ho no enye photo o say ade na etua ne ho no eye female reproductive organ na emom enye photocopy machine
eye na kusi okuma no
ai brajeri wa hu
di wa fanya photocopy
brother, answer was and can you disrespect someone like that? Where you catch any brother? Brother, yeah. Put him say, or baby, and you are cheating like Oba or Tai Kase. It's like you don't trust me in this relationship. Fear them.
A man,
it's like you don't trust me in this relationship. Some call for no fear them.
When you cheat,
Papa, yeah, the papa car someone. Womuchi tipa papa womuchi tipa papa nyasa kitwa
I see
brajeri yenchini kakra na yeli ayentu aso
okay
brajeri
yes
yenko baby to say krowe ya menije hu ya mepese me call da kuri aha brajeri Central China I don't know, maybe story be see Germany so
also enra krana me I was following the year actually it's serious even this morning krana me share international news baby streets no like cars na was no best 3 or 4 lanes ni na no just say issue Charlie is serious
Jesus
it's serious
I'm for property na say
and you say yeah hanom no aye nyame na boy ho by because o hwe said there omo kra na niema ye well structured ni ade no
what e dey na man basa
ade bi say si a say dey ti na enega e bi ba ha de a
ene say nke be fa ye nyina
because at a point na ba ku bi a me hwe enso na gigama utimi say ni space na ya man ne sopa but yet a few on Chelsea street no na as enso no bi a hwe na bufo say by force na it's Sanya say ya ni ade
a na me ra ho see
it's serious it's serious
na me ra ho brother
it's serious
na me hwe the way ade na ye na brother my question is aden
saying
no eba ne saying ana wiase awie ye na abi ni
na say enye ne mani nyina na obeti ase ene nka ayi your friends say we mpu kra dey say dey su na omo so omo tete ba bia all the time bia volcanic eruption no time na eba volcano na bana ejaina nane na bana Charlie
nyame
and so for no that is where they are also located nti ho an omo so omo te omo say baby omo no they are prone to that say ebesi but yet that's where they live
nyame ni edi ni ye pa
papa
nyame ni edi ni ye papa brajeri anya asem ketwa brajeri areho sam esi wa Central China no na unim se me be ka se nansi no Africa omo attack president for no dodo unim say brajeri Madagascar omo president unim say attempt to call no so ema sisi ame no wo kase omachi French ni ba ko a omususu so no ofi France and afi other 6 people a omo ye mu hwehwe mu so omususu se wo mo no omo hwehwe se omo beku omo na brother sisi aminim se eye season na aba na omo target African leaders ana say de ba de because me dwene ho a mente ase me san so dwene ho a me tese me hunu de ekokora asidan ke rade se brother bi me nya akọ every Burkina Faso no me nya ntie se vaccine mako 150,000 US for edi akwa akoma wo mo vaccine wo mo ye Johnson & Johnson
okay
yes into wo mo dey akwa akoma Burkina Faso for say omo nso omo nje na omo fanye bibia se be yare ne entimi anya den enti atisi e wo ho gaje machine be dey see
okay
fizi ani mo ransem ne mukakra
okay
brajeri Messi bisa o question bi shadie
okay
condom enipa na ye say nimpa ni use
yeah
na onsan fan prevent say obesi awu nipa
nti ade tina ya hompese obe use
oh brajeri
okay
brajeri
yeah okay
brajeri
trust
madwena asem we hu ha me ade nti na obi aye condom say nipa da se ni use na all use no so wasan dia man say on fan prevent ne ho say ne be ya onsan and making nipa.
Yeah.
I don't get it.
You don't get it, say.
Say.
Say your time be an person making nipa. Now
no you are making and go be who say
now one pen do why you can na making nipa nka
to set the record straight. I'm a virgin.
Oh mama me. Now no come on now dear.
Brother what happened before? Brother listen come on ben na me. Brother listen come on ben na me.
Says
brother listen come on ben na me.
You ever go any.
Ela de me huna man dem ni kwa ma meduma. Brother
obi an kondo was ma so ko use.
Who name is brother? Prostitution is the only industry whereby newcomers are paid more than the old ones. Are you aware?
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh Bisajeko. Bisa experience for Jeko. Oh yes. Bisa womo. Okay. Womo de experience pa ewo. Brother.
Yeah.
Akwabia ye fe ne Yakubu. Waso dae. Oso dae na ase obi kuno.
No be kuno.
Yes. Or sorry an upon or call the bank. And or call empty account. When him the intia.
Says empty.
It's answer bank no. Or moto ni say we make your dream come true.
And you want us ada any bebem.
Yes, into a empty account.
Okay.
You see a typical African man. Africa who did many Africa for problem. Brother, one who did many Africa for problem. Me can brother into my center. Brother, I'm asking say a man are you to omo ho fo ana like ladies do they advise each other say oh ebia oh mafia wonim say brother there afi na o sha brabo ase menji ni sika hwemu no onsu na de
onyi ni sika there
or like omutimi to omo ho fo sa na be say me they advise
it depends ebinumu tu ebinumu suntu
sa enya show so mutu
okay ode nya de abesho
enka sa niam we nyina nsi okuru menya show so mutu sa omo mas advice
okay
menya show Brajeri
yeah
can I tell you something?
Yeah.
And then Friday was all your way.
Tell me and go.
Time na media pa.
Tell me and go.
Baby mu pa na wi.
Tell me and go.
I should tell you and go.
And go, yeah.
Unim. If Okachira will say he is singular, don't date him. Now we be something why.
Obema no say or you single.
Okachira will ban say he is singular.
Men dating.
Don't date him.
Say sainty.
Don't you can never trust a hospital without a patient. Pacho. Can you?
Facho koi.
Bengo.
Sorry.
And your brother Instagram no. I say _ Scott _ official. If you tells you.
Omo won just say omunya.
I always be tells you but when you tears say na wo stress.
Azuni.
Can you trust the hospital without a patient? No, you can't. You can't. Check you trust the society. Brother Scott no SCOTT in case you want to search me on Instagram. Me share will be a routine and Debbie. O kwa chimo da yefre kro bi KJB. Na chese brother o kan na
JV. French
ni be ka chiro say Cheval
Capel.
Na chese brother o tete se dem kra na.
Ombecho.
Brother
Ombecho. Abusian, that one says Scott with Around the World in 5 minutes. Yeah, they are cool. Meantime, a happy birthday going out to Mrs. Kate Hassan, CEO of Pinkett Enterprise. Wishing you a very happy birthday from Madame Catherine Asian, aka Grandma, and the whole family. Omunya Somo will show very well. And it goes on to say that you are a great blessing unto us. May this day be the beginning of another beautiful and wonderful year full of full of joy and infinite happiness. May the good Lord bless you abundantly. We love you. Happy birthday to you once more, Mrs. Kate Hassan. Jerry, please. Okay. We also say our joy in having you as our son is something that can't be measured. It can only be felt through lots of hugs, kisses, and adoration. You're so happy and blessed with a son, Ofori Amwa, from all the family. Wishing you a happy birthday. Ben Ba also say Ochna ne birthday. And happy birthday in advance to you. And a happy birthday also going out to Rita Owariwa from your parents and your siblings. Wishing you a happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Yeah. Hey. Bra, no. Okay, so Abna Andofo or say happy birthday, Uncle Ma lawyer Juliana Ofusua Miracle. Enjoy your birthday. And may the good Lord bless you. Do any factory, Fako, Fabewaso, Nessan Fabra, Eda Osuna. Today is your birthday, Mrs. Doreen Tete of the Pharmacy Department, Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Age gracefully in Jesus' name. From Mr. John Tete, Augusta Tete, Linda Tete, as well as Jessica Tete, and then Video Tete, all wishing you a happy birthday. I'm saying now Friday, today Ben say enyomo ensuan ne ade na fe ba na ya be kan de akare gumu ne ade sa kopem say ye be pon ne ade ya kwa kudi weekend ne ade what I say. Kindly wish my brother Jason Akotua of Parliament House a happy birthday for me. Wish him long life and success from his brother and family. Okay. Yeah. Na ye kono ena walanyo Akwatia ono so say happy birthday and koma Mrs. Esther Afum of Barra Montessori School. Yeah, no ewo abeka. Good. Eti yabeko na yahwe de we anim.
Sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twetwe me se. And mommy confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit go so na me sre a. Eya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. Ene twetwe me se. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban. E free mwawa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so ni. Yeti center for.
Media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me si ye fita. Confidence level kwaso enti bi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ania maame no di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Charcoal toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. Emana hoden ne sayi nkabia. No wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Charcoal toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tomo. Ubedi Lotto wa Ghana Padia N1 they were 539 direct. The best Lotto game in Ghana. You hear me say ubenya 5 solid magic numbers. A free bako equals 39.
Wow! I'll fight winning no each. So
Abra Nedino, what the 2 Ghana cities pay and a 2 you. And to also call star 446 hash across all networks. Ultra direct one. Ubedi 20 times Sika udi try. Ultra direct 2. Ubedi 45 times Sika udi try. And a direct train so Ebema with the 400 times. Wait me a try. They were 539 direct. I was selected Lotto kiosk. Yeah. Wakana Fananina. Winning no each choke. Ramen so energy. Winning no the choke ampa. They were 539 direct.
winning no each choke.
Wawolo Jumia wo homa wankasa mayentie kwabena medie meto menema ni nyina awo Jumia o afei esi
Me weekend nso de Jumia party aneko.
afo na wo so me mo ndie efie niema ene mo ka ase niema de ekosoma me pa wo Jumia o alaji wo so wo se de me mom de me wa shama na de bia Jumia pramenti free delivery wangara si de pa Jumia wo homa wo de bia hwehwedi obi a wo pe bia e wo Jumia na sie sika pa efie aduane eba fie mu niema phones makeup entire shem ene ne keka ho bebre download the Jumia app no na ho niema bebre Jumia your everyday delivered.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Got to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Emrebi etwemu na me twimi ni ma metumi chankasa. Sese de me hunama ya motso fefefe. Geisha black soap fufro no eye guy ankasa. Mia me hu se me ni pedua na gina so na ehre ankasa.
Geisha black soap fufra activated charcoal wom. Any geisha moringa soap fufra glycerin wom no. Wo be bawon sam e mahunam ya moton na ha. FD agi dwede nkra to ya tum.
Ofia Kwansu with the me and Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 Ofia Kwansu with the me and Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM.
So make I forget my worries, my stress, Sweetie, but me come on, so make I forget my worries, my stress, If you just fit to see the tell me, I need to make her sleep like a baby, baby do it, yeah.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
No, me mama, when you me the one. I do the good, the family. And I said, what do you do, me, mommy,
baby, do me, won't you do me, Lila, my baby.
I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things for women. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things for women. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things for women. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things for women. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things for women. So, yeah, that's all the go. That's all the go. So yeah, that's all the go. That's all the go. So yeah, that's all the go. That's all the go. So yeah, that's all the go. That's all the go. So yeah, that's all the go. That's all the go. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So, got it. God, wow. No, I won't in the end. So, them knows who I joint things with one. Sweet. Who do you got us right? So.
True.
Let's go with it down. Let's go with it down. So yeah, let's go with it down. Let's go with it down.
Check it out time now, 11 minutes after 5 on 106.3 Adom FM. Freestyle Friday, y'all. I am talking about Goyle higher grade fuels. Yes, fuel papa. Tried and tested, proven and accepted. Now I am most suitable for all engine types, including the very latest, vehicles with the most modern engines. What is our superior quality see now to China? Going higher grade fuel, no? Yes, 45, no? With the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer. Yeah, make you more efficient, eco-friendly. Now you turn at no extra cost. Going higher grade fuel, see you want the super XP Run 95 and of a diesel XP. Yet on every Goyle fuel station BM across the country, not just selected Goyle fuel stations. You know what I'm saying? So fill up with Goyle high grade fuels. Ajibebia Goyle, good energy. Goyle, yeah, dim. Now still talking about your car. When you say who keep your car in good shape? Hey baby, I now namsa. Me nan say na me papa kasa na do baby unyi so na name bi wa uja because first no mka kra me tie. Me be unza me tu kwa this anajo. Oh yeah. Say bi a me kokuma say na me kokko bi ana e bi kra. If I'm driving long distance, we are passing with him there now. No. Let me have a Jim all right. So, Pama could feel my Kodaka. set alarm my bobe 12 midnight number sim na be 11:45 number sim wa esa na dwe kwan me nkwan me dia fire sa ne dia ba se oka on maintain uka ye dia you can't do that because anadwe kodja si kwan chen na anu ya soko baby ka you ko chere me mafia pala yes me si me pa na dwe we dia ma jimeni so we be going to November. Maso yes no. Eduka esa utimi make sure say obe service no. On a regular what you say? Maintenance the enfani agro. Na nan say nyame ncha de. Auto fast. Atiesi krom. Omo ahase biebie. Omo service centers no. No mo de omo service ne de. Eye A1. Eye oh yeah. Auto fast and no any the new name when it comes to vehicle servicing and maintenance. So treat your vehicle to world-class servicing and maintenance. Our Auto fast. Your new ultra-modern service center. I near BM our Liberation Road Total Service Station. Oba ye be bia or can what the mount. And you can so and yet yeah particular cars be all car types and brands ni na. Ye ni na come on. Mix ni na what I say. Now very soon ye be another branch wa Chimota and our Tema Hospital Road. It's your mouth from once and potemu now so betimi mo cars aba. Ye tramo service in papa. Experience our well-trained technicians on be conducting certified point checks on your vehicle. It is say be our air conditioning system near there or tire no there can battery strength there can brake parts near there oil or be changes and your money na. Obi wan no free use the car. And your oil filter, air filter na work out micro on sign that. That's all yes and your guy. Brand new trust service change plugs near the idea in Nama. Tembia car na what is it? Oba Auto Faster. We do your vehicle maintenance at the most competitive package fees out. You say unyan sa crowd baby. Yes. Etiborum nebra na yen service so kan ma right bibia be kama Abusia the power of 8. They say we need the power of 8 bet. Nessa who say yeah. And as it travels Adama, you do two coin walk when you swat the kakra. Sometimes and I am uncle for can you say and for here and can see what I say. Holidays there, yeah. Vacation there, yeah. Now in our part of the world, then I am now and near maybe Nippon fast animal, but it's a good thing. Me wana fufuo bi nu pa awa broche omo ye adwuma nyina no owo sika ode ye ni savings eno no de ode bo bra ne ade a but o ye adwuma nyina no not this kan kakra de to wan kona bia say sika ne de eye solely for vacation it time nya so na so ko vacation o ye ne den obeji leave eno no on fan trantra ho na no ma be friend oh can you come to Debbie now what pay on abroad on obetimi atukwa ko baby onim obi akra ho then we go and see how things are done differently over there near the change environment kakra oh no akohwehwe ne mam kakra ko vacation e bia say 2 weeks bia na 1 week bi kra na do no asem kakra sometimes it changes your reasoning, you know what I mean. Oh but yeah hand na change na obetimi adwuma sa be 5 years on take break you crown ho me da I can say Sikaya upegu watch na paki krena edianya. Chale life is short o. Edu ba bia ma oni padua na ni kakra. Pampa ho kakra. enti yanko Dubai yanko twa U10 kakra mra sisamu kakra bi we nso de utia ye package ni mu ye the other time na make depending on the season you are traveling etoda ye tu kwan ye kwa ba bi keke esrusika o de akwaje o visa ene ukodu ba bi akozu esika best but e bi abi season kuna o me bi na ticket bo akoso pa utibi to ticket be 7,000 yo ticket nkwa remai now we udi 8,000 you do buy from Nairobi, Kenya. What you say? Now I ye kakra na dia. Take it triple shot kosha said the name Messi Kofani dia. Ubo room where Nairobi onso. Unse omo e giraffe center bi wa bekoi. Emwo in the gugu ni ade you can get close to them near there. E de aduane agunsem na giraffe you move feed from your palm near there can ho. We had wakwa kwatena se wo ye the famous carnival restaurant. Na wakodi ho food chaka pre. Ni na ka package no. We had wo room where Dubai. Okopiem Dubai no city tour ya wo ye ya okoba na untua hwe. Na ye ko Dubai na ya o fat taxis interview Dubai bia say trains am timu ani go o fat taxi ya tisenka wa fa ita o tena mu na pe na tisenka ekrom a 5 seasons dey already started ready from o ko ale traffic light ya krara 5 minutes no edi ka asset o asera razana ready dey akara guso ba o ko Dubai o transportation na ni na all inclusive it was 8,000 ya utu I feel all the tourist attraction sites Dubai I'll visit to nyina no Dubai almost enu no munyom sika baby enu abekọ hwe wani so ade ye free ubetua but because only Adansi travel na continue untua hwe ni nyina kan 8,000 na utua no etu bekọ hwe wani so ade ne ade twetwa pictures aji wani a we are desert safari you akọji wani wo so ne ade yo emu ode na de kumi kura no say VGMA best high life artist of the year Kwame Eugene enso ka trip ho ne omukọ de kodusa ne aboso ne jam on desert no so ane ade anse be fie asa be fie etian kwan kwaji ani kakadwo 8,000 na me ka say no omo ebedi kan akọ no kura no omo flight aye madada omo di kan eti da rubo intem omo abuki omo place no omo dem flight ne cry madada eti omo be fia on the 9th and I feel so on the 9th and the 11th for the omo de aye madada they say available dates no cry slots na kan so to ama ho anya ha nya de obenya kwan yes obe chiche na 8,000 to dream available dates now bet me book ne 12th 19th 15th 22nd and then 23rd August the and no na e wo hormo a wo so bet me abuki na wa bo rem akwa you take a kanti me twa ye na yenko na yenkomra why yenko je patro bibia ni a just log on to www.adansitravels.com that is ADANSITRAVELS.com adansitravels.com and yes out there for 055 631 0404 that's 055 631 0404 055 631 0404 Johnny book me anko we are not so what you sika no now my your friends or passport no bio you on a page no and one on air juice I am an area nya fi na ko dwum ko ji hwan letter bra we be there be ya bibia ma sharp do enko na emra na fi on say osisem sa na bibia kama there ba me ma rent free medical ka trust say utia koso anso no ti ofie kwaso yie pa because we no on say the entoma about Adansi travel and no any nyom ehwe abomu enti one lucky listener I will tie Adom FM pa na wo tie ni yie no obetimi anya kwanya say quiz kakra bi amay wo program yi so no otimi famu a ono de 8,000 amafo na etua me akobi no ono ontua bi free ye de ne be ko Dubai aba free na fe obaako so a ono so be bɔ no homoden a ono oye obi ohwa Adom TV pa no afia ma akwa tamakru so be ron nti ono so timi bɔ no homoden a ono so dam free na ene wo na akru yi ware aze Jerry and sweet mom Shelly ne birthday. Hey Shelly, oh latabi okoshi to sing. Happy birthday going out to you. Hey Shelly, no. Obi otie me already so o matisa o pegari so kings pa. Now you call outdoor event na sister the gari pa ne ade ne crown of a cat now the banana can crack how about the sugar and milk about so matisa o so kings pa. Shelly. Shelly, you do all. Happy birthday to you, Oh man, someone wish you happy birthday. Miss me wish you happy birthday. I mean, sure, non count, non domo. Abuja on Sunday I'll wash it, but I used to live boy hand wash. Well, and no, a you sound na neat kama. See, me ko wash me sa. Oh. Me ko Johnso no credit oka. Timi wie na me use live boy liquid hand wash no. And I'm there home in some men san why kama pa na ade aze bibia e kama. Oba ha enu bia na use ha na ade e fine. Eti nso e ton safro use bi na be boa. Oh, ya to ebo ase an ro ne kama. Se be ya e be yi unsan wuna ne active silver ingredients no. A more superior protection against all germs. On the empatry, yet very gentle on your skin and say skin no. On the empatry no. If you are not then go use an echo say we are not there cool germs in there, but very gentle on your skin. Come on. Live boy liquid hand wash. A super for all hand washing movements. It choose live boy. Now when you're 10 times better germ protection. You know what I'm saying? You more so to me bako eye total and a bako eye herbal a pacho total no ya brand no red and a herbal no and also eye ne label no eye green ti di on sabe kan bia ye na wa yusu e beboa na bibia so etimi akọ kama e di amount on san ate wensin na abusua de omu ne se yenua bako ne wallet ayira Mr. Jude Adote Ado eye ne wallet Ira Ochra or peke taxi from La Paz ediko PM ewo circle na ode eko PM ewo circle no ena enam so ama sisi ane wallet Ira a ohun wallet no na oche se items a ewo wallet no emu no eye the voters ID card afe ne SNET ID and a scan de nensha dan ya bia 200 Ghana cedis ewum ena ne visa cards enso ewum ya chese no timi edidi mrensem kakra de yi scan ya de a ni nyina so ehye wallet no emu o chese wo abehu wallet sa cards yi na hyehyem a edin e wo so eye Mr. Jude Adote Ado bomoden a se obefre sa number yi ana o de beba multimedia ha na ninsaka obeda wase in a special way patro obetimi afre onfama ha untimi fama ha o de afre 0243 242 620 0243 242 620 obetimi de aba multimedia ha so a obeda wase pa e o kwan sonkoso o chese ne wallet no baby ebetimi ayana ne se ofoka eye taxi edifi La Paz edikopie mu o circle e bompa ye se ento circle ho na e bianke La Paz wa baby a wan betimi ahwa consider na circle koku circle na But we there's someone said second walk around the door is someone right now.
Wawolo Jumia wo homa wankasa mayentie kwabena me me to me nyema ni nyina wo Jumia o afei esi
me weekend nso de Jumia party aneko
efo na wo so me mo ndie efie nyema ene mo ka ase nyema de ekosoma me pa wo Jumia o alaji wo so wo se de me mom de me wa shama na de bia Jumia prime nti free delivery wangara si de pe Jumia wo homa wo de bia hwehwedi obi a wo pe bia e wo Jumia na sie sika pa efie aduane e ba fie mu nyema phones makeup entire shem ene ne keka ho bebre download the Jumia app no na ho nyema bebre Jumia your everyday delivered.
Etiefo munya so ntie me pa na me de asem dena na Adansi Travels edi fie wotwe na ne senti omoma wo package bi a minti ne mpani samo da afa ma me mo mu oyemu Adansi Travels say kai ho na yenkwa Nairobi eni Dubai na wotwe mo so e be ma woni agisa say yekodru Nairobi a mo ho tigi so sisa draft antri kasa me ye frano so hole no wo be hu bi fili asen ko titi aduana ahwo mo nu mo afa so ye no be ko Carnival restaurant na ye free wona ye kopie mu Dubai dia ye ne Rockstar Kwame Eugene ene be hwia bom wo desert no so High Life Music Papa Pie Bema Wasasa na wenina Adansi Travels say tua 8,000 Ghana cedis per ane send mpemo watche kai hu ne say akwantu e be hyase every 8th August enti kwa website www.adansitravels.com and our friend 0595 500 817 now we there for 800 Ghana cedis per twice here na tua nkane kakra Adansi Travels fuel life's beauty.
Gino Magic Pepper on it tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Ya yening in dada. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Capsule, yeah. I'm out for you, capsule for my way. Say if I want to your way. I was actually, and I want to be my way.
Capsule wa hodi mensa 3 in 1 power. Ema hunam yaw ni pepu ho extra no ankasa saint tata. Ibu kapwa paracetamol. Cafe and ibuprofen no mi ensa na aka bomu pe ha. Asas kato yaw dia. Yaw ana malaria sanche ni bi yin ho adi wo ni padua mu asa. Eno an se obefa ibu ka. Hunam be yaw kama ho ato one time. Ibu kapwa ekra 3 in 1 power. To yaw bia. Say to one to one. Who Dr. Shalina Healthcare Limited Ghana. And ebo ibu kapwo de. FDA ahwehwe surgery nkrato imaja to mu say yeah.
Amanfo enoma pi wo ho a ebema woni agi Ghana ho
Nani Jimmy Jai ho
Yes ukwana
meko Jack Ghana bosso Afi akade ba ko Manchi Mill shortcake sesi aye no Ghana ya dia fenije manchi why
We know the dream is big. We know the passion gets you going. And you have the potential to make great strides. The Chartered Institute of Marketing, Ghana, has always been an avid supporter of industry excellence and innovation. This is why we are excited to announce the CIMG Professional Marketing Qualifications. CIMG has designed practical courses to help you make that dream a reality right here in Ghana. We are geared up and ready to support you on this journey to becoming a world-class professional marketer. Register today and be on your way to greatness. For more information, call us on 055-274-6592. Visit our website www.cimghana.org or email us on info@cimghana.org. Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana, working for Ghana. Gospel Ministries and Soul Brother Records, ICGC Calvary Temple, and the Tahila Experience 2021. Every Ghana Fonina, Aya to the deed, Beyond the Veil, Danabesha Nasi, Sisi Chum, Francis Samu, Oba Pakwisi, MOG, their guest artists, Ayafel Thompson, Michael Saki, and the Prosper Ochimana. I say, Beshia, president, and the founder of Tahila Experience, Ohima Messi. Kasa Jumadi Ebaso on the 8th August 2021, 4 p.m. Pepe, our ICGC Calvary Temple, Sakumono, our Sprinters. Kaina was the free. All COVID protocols observed. Yet don't young possible. If you said Tahila Experience is 7 years. Oh my God! Sponsors Wilma Africa, Tamaso, Alive Soap and Fortune Rice, Vodafone, Within, Comasido, Fun Milk, Awake Mineral Water, Lucuzin, Yas, Standard Chartered Bank, Trillium Industries Ghana, Unilever, Papa's Pizza, Dance World Savings, Adonko Next Level, and Perfection, Kaya Tools, and Silver Star.
Media partners Joy FM, Joy News, Adom FM, Adom TV, Joy Prime, Love FM, and Shira FM, myjoyonline.com.
They say money.
Joy Prime presents a new series, Love and Wealth. This is a task of choosing between love and wealth, and also gives viewers the opportunity to learn about sexual health. A unique Venezuelan telenovela which tells the story of two daughters of a rich billionaire who are presented with the task of choosing between love and wealth. Watch as the rich and beautiful Zahara and her daughters navigate these critical options, all in a bid to make the best choice for themselves. Come along on this journey of the ever-captivating drama and intriguing suspense in the all-new series, Love and Wealth. Don't miss out on all the thrills and excitement. Love and Wealth shows Tuesdays to Fridays at 5:30 p.m. starting 28 July 2021 only on Joy Prime. Joy Prime, the ultimate experience.
Above where so I say, Emma, Euro 2020, you begin every Betway for the love of the game. Yedamase. After Savannah Paints from Azar Group since 1921, we all go Queen's Song. Monsieur Yedamase, Maya Dieluto.
Yokoso Adamase, Nivea Men deep range of products. Nivea Men, be prepared for anything. It starts with you. MTN, everywhere you go, we're there for you.
Club Premium Lager Beer, brewed with the spirit of Charlie since 1931. CD Low Price Masters, affordable and durable electrical home appliances.
TPS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Allianz Life Insurance, we secure your future.
Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Magdan Group Limited, providing cutting-edge business solutions to clients.
Jamaso, your partner for clean clothes. 2021 population and housing census. You count, get counted.
Ayo, send with care. Ayo, because you care. HD Plus, Philly experience.
Alaska Star Enterprise, your headquarters of quality and affordable workplace and blind persons.
Dr. Caesar Lina Energy Tea, Adabido, away. Dr. Amuzu Herbal Center, the pennies doctor.
Shemu na mi twi ni ma mitumi chankasa sese die mi hunama ya motso fe Geisha Black Soap Fufro no eye guy ankasa mia mi hu se me ni pedua na gina so na hre ankasa.
Geisha Black Soap Fufra activated charcoal wom. Any Geisha Moringa Soap Fufra glycerin woman. Woba bawonsem and mahunam yamoton na FD aji gradient crab to yatum.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our Keska. Charges some 380 cedis. We send this can go charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me atie. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so. Akwa network foforo no. And no so yet na mum tie asem de pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash so. Aye free. We send this ka free Vodafone cash. Akwa network bia so. And so you free. Masa it work catcher. Then was sour network and no so move bra for the phone cash says hey masa leadership not to ball musisi I know say there we send this ka for the phone cash so I con network bia so e free send this ka do bia and prend do bia con network bia so free dial *110# says hey na send this ka and then one best school nyina class prefect obiawe
say one mo nyina yare o dia test me hu say malaria
sumu to 20 any on woman tikopo na
Senya once na so odinfo tumi di efu echi kwa asamado no. Saa nso na one that treated net mu a entuntum betumi ahwe wo mo nya malaria. One hwa no wadi kan wa asamado.
Nipa bebre asoden. Entuntum da ya na dro no. Wo mo na mo. Entuntum hwe wo mo. Na me die. Anadwo bi ya meda me insecticide treated net ase. Enzi meda asundue mu.
Wudi COVID-19 bambon hyehyɛ no nyinaa so no. Kae sɛ woni wobusua bɛda ntonton dan a yɛahyɛ ne drasi anadwo bia. Na mbɔ mo ho ban free malaria ho abribia ɛwɔ baabia.
Good life, Abrabopa, Boniyi, and Kaibwe Ghana Health Service, USAID, and Wangabuafo and a daybreak.
This is Adoma FM, and this is Jerry.
I'm not the Aberry. Black would the assemble.
What kind of who be a bounce? Now to my clown and mouse. The blue ya by Islam. Tempani I really die. Cause the real see a fake. I did love to take you on a flight. See, I didn't know the jet. Where to? Yeah. You're going to be sad, no. Want to ride the review? You're going to be sad, no. Yeah. Wanna say, yeah. Wanna say, yeah. Wanna say, yeah. Wanna say. Now go free body assemble. Oh, Blacko. Assemble the other Abamu. And that's the second sermon from Black Sheriff. This one here says, greetings, Jerry. Please wish my big brother, XWO Kwame Nate of Domi Accra. Wish him a happy birthday for me. And this one is coming from your brother, Henry Nate, all the way in Chicago, in the United States of America. Wishing you a happy birthday. All right, check it out time. Just about 20 more minutes to wrap up. And make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. Now, baby, Edrus way. Young Bunra give us a swear, as we do from time to time. Na yeshum pumdeon sem kakrani and fan twaso. And you're very necessary, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Bema kwaba.
Jeremy Joseph.
Na ohona no muti sen.
Ye what are mo hu ye mo.
Mo kra de an say me ha me ho kra bi sam say mo hona muti sen because mo no. Enro yi sam mo no mo ani.
That's right. Asem wa na se bi ba one.
But I no want chat that time boy na am kan chat that say me da na se na.
Obete me giri say wo kan brother mre wate be all the same message abona man ye.
Good. Na ene ye kon say
Jeremy Dasi bebre seven penny say 20 year in ya cheswa.
Correct.
Na what try the pano amohon dewura na kwete say the ogina sumu no mu na. Obi hu anim.
Yeah.
Intini twase e kaka Ghana for say nyame adom ye dura. Ye very very potent.
Sure.
Nti so bi o how bia na ya directing the Panama nsa atumi aka bi. na nsana mekasa na memfa kwenye so nchia adofo etie Adom FM ene enwumre titru me yonko me mechanic bia wa alajo ye friend Dombote
okay
Samuel Fum na obodwuma pa same nyame Easter papa Jerry on say yare bia ne nadru
nokre
na wo yare no say unnim nadru a wo frɛ ne say yare kwankro nti wo baka mpanimfo kra bu bebi say utwa sakotwa waduro no na obi aduro nso na wutwa bu utwa sakotwa waduro no obi nso aduro na wutwa bu that's right na Dr. Solomon Kwabi obi a sebe wawie university na wo university nyina na nhwehwe mu ana oye habanuro ne kwan ebefa so ebetimi aboa adasama na nhwehwe mu na wie na odinro miensa ene ba adwaso ene me kire di nti amanfo nti ase se adan na give us P capsules no bodwuma sa di nti abodwuma ne se sebe mpredua sa ono de na nkoye me papa na awu no abeso no dae se kotia haban we na ti we there be we scientifically proven awaye nhwehwe mu ene wahunu se sebe me bi emre wo mpamu a eye niam bi na keka bomu ene ma be ma no sebe omre e wo mpamu it is otimi nya dure be yi sa kwansidie no afiri be ma na kwa mu a e ma ditimi sa ejina na so bio Jerry last me na me ka sebe me bi a sebe ojeje IM team so no sa be ma na performance entimi nyina so da the reason being say be me bi abema IM team atena wo so no affecte o manhood no intima wa hoden no ekofem ogege nanim ma na che bebrea enam se wo kɔ sabe agana bia wo kyem den na ma enti na wo wasene mu no ego enti eno nso etimi ma wo ye mre e wo mpam eno achi no enam se efin sese besene kɔna mesene kɔna wo system num no eja toxin ana se efin ana bro e wo system num eno nso ma o immune system no ahoden kɔfem eno nso affecte be ma o performance iti wenum nyina na Dr. Solomon Kwabi ede give us cool capsules abadwaso iti give us cool capsules no ne dwumadi titiriw ne se ebeyi fin amaman koko cholesterol nipadua ne hian ebeyi saa ne mani nyina ede afiri wo nipadua no iti so ha daka no ho abonso obi da ho no waso ne sisi artist impression catch us say yesisi no ho adwuma that's right iti obi biara wabo saa ohawa mabubo so yem tim ne saa ne manema no koko amaman ewo sisi mu no waduro give us co capsules say netie na Jerry give us co capsules no any give us P capsules na antibom yente wo montem me pa cho a obi a wutie me netie ni ye pa yente wo montem wo na antibom the reason being say wa bra give us co capsules na yi amaman koko sisi yade ni nyina clear free ho no na bokwan ama give us P capsules no so atimi aye na dwuma yi it give us P capsules no said the identity and P ni gina ho ma power it anu ye give us power capsules of friends are winting na no na kwa ye ntini ho adwuma direct it bibi biara ya kwansidie obema wakwa mu emma moja dodo a esese timi teneba obema no ma obema ni timi gina so no sa give us P capsules be yi ni nyina e de afiri ho na fe kwa mu ada ho sebe mpanisi ekuru a na dwa hwete nti kwa mu da ho sa dia ene wa obedi adanse se o ye bema mu a nti ye fe ye frema also betimi agiso bi na oyere nso be kanfo sabe yese obo hwrema na eda agigi utirim nti se wo a wo tie me no obema mu a unim na se wonya bema nso a unim na se unim se wonya bema de a waduro give us P capsules no beto 2 na what to give us co capsules no 1 na Jerry obi obeto enure bibia na omo frɛ e ma yetu omo fo ma won akwankyere fa kwan obefa so a obefa duro no but obi wo ho a obeka chense bia meni dia anadwo e bia jai pastry die kakra pastries no Jerry nya bibia nti o fiber enim eni roughage bia ewom enti wodi a etetare won sununum enti you find it difficult so obeyi free o colon num na ama ya kire se o IM team eno so ne ya try se obeyi free usu enti se ya ka kire se jai pastries ni di na se nipa no eye ne din se obejai a na kwa kwete se Jerry oba prako na wo ye nwura gu na chi omo si ya hipa me no ba nti sa na me kan o
se na daje
that's right it be sra wa de nti ase me ni pastries ne se e be sa ma wo ye mu atim me ho no give us call no eyi IM team no afri ho enti eno no fri ho no na afa abokwan adama ma give us P no etimi aye na adwuma yi eno no one kasa you attest to the potency of the drug enti esra mo a ena anamon wa yetuko ayaresa ho no de edi kan Jerry eye self discipline ahoshe so it is a woni ahoshe so a ebe ye din so betime nya yaresa eti wo frɛ ye niema ebe ka che so tua no Sabe paso opangoma so enye ya numodo ne mo ni yie ene yepe wan kasa se obedi yie entina ye kire o twe ho free sa enema no ho na Jarimaka we yawie no ye wo mema ni bi ho nso a wanya ndam yade wakoa ma bia wo pania no ho aduro ama ekoi besese no bema wo hu se nzunsu aso na san eba biu obema no mu da so hyehye obre bia begu nsuo ensuo fitaa bi pie firi obema na no ba etoda kore moja we no mu nyina ekire wo se sebe wonya infection bi ama bacteria na didi ehonum asa ehonum na se wo de ne STI se de make kan ama no demu a make kan ya wo beto give us P capsules no 2 now what to give us co capsules no 1 but we are as a natural remedy advocate sebe ye be kontamunti na mi tufo sebe modern na konhwe lemon and a garlic but garlic na ya hwe local one no eno ano den eche foreign one no it is only a local one na wafre eno de men kire wafidie so it ofra ye be kire kwan abefa so a ode any give us P capsules any give us co capsules no be di dwuma na what do ho e de free how bia edi wunyanu mo eno ye mo amanya STI sexually transmitted infections no maka no awie no nso no Jerry obi ho nso a ono ne de ne nye STI ono ne de na kwakoye prostate enlargement prostate na ya de power nipaduanum sebe ye mema no so no oba hia na o release nsuo na ensu eniema miensa e na eba na eniema miensa na emu ba akono e prostate na release ba eno na ye fluid an konkonti ba na swemi wum because omu ntimi nko eno na e serve as a vehicle emom ko hia oba no ko sua no e wo fallopian tube no ti se koba se wo de no o prostate ni ntimi release sa fluid na e be din so betimi anyem oba ntinka prostate na ya de pa. Oh, okay. Name is so vulnerable, say, be big kind of crabby infection, be kind of ne frase na hono. It is hono sa a bemia or Jones Ochano. Na mana yet is a balua, wohu now the one saminu no. That's right. A bemem I flat into muno in sudra, Casasa it me contain urinal blood anum. Kakrebi sonigu manayama. It was so Jones or so better as Abons Jones Sado. A bassa. For first Sanya begum Tina Johnson sade ono enye good sign iti bema bia behu ne saa no se wan so no 10 temwa wan hwe ya debi na ne akwa sho roba e ba saa so ajari die udi akoda de ubetimi di all right nemum ne wo dadi de ono ne tonkwanta wapai ba jo so atimase that's right inti entwen koduru saa tebianom edue ni enye wani e be wo no yetu ase na yensene so iti ubekwa hwe give us P capsules no 2 now what to give us co capsules no 1 na nam sa wo de ne prostate enlargement intino na wakwa hwehwe abrotimi de mo brofofo no mo frɛ no consult no won saka no nso wi a won so frɛ yen ne enkyere kwan be fa so abe combine consult no any give us P capsules ne give us co capsules no na watimi ade wo ho kama enu akiri no e bia wo de na kwakwa yese sebe wo JSS secondary school and I say tertiary why your masturbation sa sua 30 a register shell system no e basa e ma body ne be so sensitive to sex it is sabe oba ma no fa wo sere ho keke kura utimi jem na akotena trotrom na oba wote ne nje ne ho ofede asem ato obesa ho ansa na wadru krom eno no achia ne mu impani se e desna bebu nyina obema won saka give us P capsules no 2 no to give us co capsules no 1 won saka wi a wa masturbation no fraying ni enchiro kwan abefa so a onso besa gina wona so aye bema bi wu nemom jari de make nyina no mesro menka say give us P capsules and give us co capsules no bema wajai masturbation no no I haven't said so that's one necessary wajai with determination that's wajai na wajai wi a esunsun so obi ne say ma obema ye no etofem team body ne be so sensitive to sex and no na give us our center ye bem ni a two first set to give us P capsules no 2 no to give us co capsules no 1 uto wi a na wa frɛ yen ye be kyerɛ ne maka kra bi ne exercise ketwa bi wa hwe ye kra ye boso kyerɛ wa besere but eye dwuma se bribi ebe ma wasan agina wona so biu na wa ye bema mu na afi ututu a watimi atafrɛ kyerɛ wa no na ye numbers a betimi afrɛ yen ne ne wo abonkomo na ebia bibi wo ha manka wa ha low sperm count ne ade nyina manka wa ha ekwan a wa light sperms kwan a be fa so abe improve no ni nyina wo fra ade a ye be kyerɛkyerɛ ni nyina na numbers 2 and I'm the tudra emu bia be frɛ no ye be joso number edi kan 0501 55 68 28 Tie number ni 0501 55 6828. And I'll bet my friend your MTN line and also yet 0543 222 470. That's 0543 222 470. Ofra ye bejo so na fin komo bia ye ho no ye ne wo abo. De to so bi ojari unim say covid na say enko yo. They say crowd om say delta variant no. Eh serious. It ye best Ghana for say yen hwe ye didi ye ne observe covid protocols no. Na no nyina echi no. Yen didi ye na ye num nupa. Oben madu pan so dia give us herbal measure. Give us herbal measure. And nam lemon ni nim tree a woman intina ye immune booster I support your immune system na papa. It if I tue muda anopa numbi ewia numbi enwumre numbi eba sa no na o hye onipadua no kubu. Yeri se ka so bia a shate kubu out ase e bia want na cross se dey three cross no. Atene yi mu aduan ni firi mu a ye de anwe agum na mu ayedu. Enti sipa so a foforo be bona na giku na no ate ahwe. So wonum give us herbal measure e ma body no hye kubu. Enti wo yare no ball kra wonte. Pain na asan na kiko no baby. Ti malaria jaundice ni fever de etu ase kra wanum beto so amodidi britia we bi mu be unse fifre efrase efiu. Ni nyina e give us herbal measure. Bia ya hodo a ubenya bia to. Taw na men sorry. So what tema bomodana ne ko Little George Health Shop wo PV Open Runabout hono nsabe kan bi o Community 5. Se wo ko Nana Boachi wotema ubenya bi. Ashama fonko Ekus Pharmacy ene Widema Pharmacy. Se wo ba bi ti se Koforidua me pacho Gapson Pharmacy ene Delight Pharmacy ubenya bi ewo ho. Koforidua tafo Chris Farmer ubenya bi ewo ho. Se wo kaso a Tribe of Judah Ducat eyade a wonsa ebeka bi wo ho nso Okanshi Drug Lane menka bi nya bi shop bi abewram bia no Give us P capsules, Give us co capsules and Give us Abamesha wonsa ebeka bi ewo ho no Abdekuma Farmak Fawani chire Fidas Pharmacy e ho nso kwa wonsa ebeka bi wo ho se nemre ya Give us P capsules and Give us co capsules wo ho se wo ya bema na da so ye mre ewo mpam na wo yere epim wakuti a mimi twamo fichira mebo mani a kire nso wonyere no ho nti san ho yade na kusibedo osa menso mesa Jerry nyami nshira papa wakonya kese a odiamai so era ase abuzi adase to ti wa he no he na ye idia ene na wa wala yo okay your fast dame your Vodafone the patrol say Vodafone akofa ye good morning offer e dey aba. So now you can have an even greater morning with a Vodafone Good Morning offer. Now the Good Morning bundle gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, plus 500 MB of data. Yeah, and the bundle works with any other bundle you will have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. Okay, young far away and sorry so now young Kofi Bende. Yeah. And this one is coming from the Aqua Boys, father and son. Yeah. Aria share the remix. And I know. No say, no go, na minya ni. Oh, everybody na minya. And I say I'm in Kosha Gonfo. So we be the one. Ya ile oki kanu na mintio. Ale chichire be the one inside. If you only borrow. To me uncle. I'm in Odasi. Oh, I do. And I'm also I'm in Odasi.
And this one is a special one going out to you, Dr. Odro. Dr. Odro, Atlanta, Georgia, in the United States of America. Good evening to you, boss. And may the good Lord bless you. One fantastic man. Dog me chabusi afonina. Yami wa botre. Gloria Mensah on Facebook says, Jerry, please greet my mother and father for me. That's Wafa. A.K.A. Wafa. Ateshi. Sea Lady. Gloria. Matiwa Machiao. I am found seen. I am friend. You may know see I can't say about and trust me. Let's check our time already, guys. Yeah. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 at Dome FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. It's been nice coming your way with a freestyle edition of your own show. And I'm going to ask you to say, must spend the time with us throughout the week. If you Monday, busy and Friday. Now, first day, the on producers, no Papa Bills, African to Jamestown, J. Cole. Now, if you've been so come here, Kwame your boy there. And I'll be a boy. Friend and friend. Now, you know one, they did me dear. Now, sample for Jibu to a sentimental. Who did me this from Kunyame Aduma next week, come back in car. I was I'm doing Chami, a friend, Jerry Justice. As always, I send me about Coupe. Ushia Unia, now watch Yano. Now, what's